Hello, everybody. What are you doing? I don't know why you're doing that. All right, I gotta put my hood down. It's gonna get windy. That's probably better. What are you doing? So, what's going on? Well, remember a few days ago I had like a little, I would say a gash, or it looks like I hit a pothole on my front wheel and the rim pinched the sidewall of my tire. My thing's fogging up, god damn it. And it pinched the sidewall of my tire. I rode on it Sunday and I didn't like it at all. I was really worried that something was going to happen. There we go. Little airflow. I was really worried something was going to happen. So I called a dealer. I called a Royal Enfield dealer that I've gone to before. Not the one that I bought, one different Royal dealer in Michigan. And I was like, yo, how much is it going to cost you to put some tires on my bike? And I was like, well, like, do you have any specific ideas of which tires you want? I was like, yeah, I want these Michelin Activ Pros, which are like more, they're like really aggressive cafe spec tires. Okay, just merge. Really aggressive cafe spec tires, which should look and work really well for this. I could find them on Revzilla for, check this, they're like $160, $130 front, $160 rear. So like combined is like 300 and something bucks. They wanted to charge me almost $640 to do that. $640. I'm like, no, I'm going to check around. I'm going to go to a different place. And I didn't say that. I said it in a nice way. So I called this dealer. It's not really a dealer. It's like a custom bike shop, hangout. Like, I don't know. I'm about to go look at it. Called Clutch and Throttle. I've never heard about it. Well, I've heard about it. I've just never been to it. And I'm pretty excited to actually go check it out because it looks pretty cool. There's a bunch of Harleys and motorcycle stuff, cafe. I don't know. But it's like 2 miles away from my house. And it's crazy that I've never been there. You know, because I like motorcycle stuff and I go to motorcycle stuff. But I called them and they were like, oh yeah, like we can totally do it and we can get it quick. Like they got it quicker than the other people, and it was $419.70. And at first I was like, damn it, could you just like roll that up to $420.69? Nice. And they could get the tires tomorrow, put them on tomorrow afternoon or Friday, and that means I can ride this weekend because we're supposed to have some solid fucking weather, and I'm pretty damn excited. I can't see. People give me a lot of shit for my last video on why I took my muffler off. I had like 48 upvotes and 22 downvotes. People were not happy with my reasonings, and they kept like, the Doppler effect, but they couldn't understand what I was actually talking about. Doppler effect is like, check it. You're here, and you have a motorcycle coming this way. The sound that the motorcycle produces is not the same throughout that range. It gets louder the closer you are. My point was, and my electric bike, when I was going next to a car, they never heard me because I wasn't making any noise and they would merge to me. People didn't fucking get that and they were real upset. They were real upset at me and were like actively trying to dislike my YouTube video, and I'm like, damn you guys, you have a bunch of old geezers who fucking want your Royal to look beautiful and old and classic and whatever, and like I'm just trying to push some boundaries creatively with the Royal Enfield platform. / don't like electric bikes, loud pipes save lives. 100% believe that. I don't care what you say, because I almost died multiple times while riding that Zero in Germany, and I refuse to ride another electric bike unless there's some kind of sound emitter, something generating audio. Then that's it. That's final. And that sounds fucking good, and I don't care who you are. Roxanne. Look at that, crackle back. All right, so I'm looking for the I'm looking for the White Castle, and that's when I know I turn right. The Jeep looks like it's two-wheel drive. Look how low it looks. Weird. I think I'm here. Look at that wall. Sup? You need some portraits, baby. So, gotta make sure I can see what I'm doing. I dropped my glove. New tires. I'm pretty excited to rip on them. I don't know what they're actually gonna feel like, but this video is basically over now that I got new tires. Overall, everything, so I've got the breakdown of sale. It was like $419 for the parts, and then 2 hours of service. So it was like another like $120 of service. So cheaper than the first quote. Not that cheap though. Still pretty obnoxious, but it is what it is. Why does this seem so difficult to get on? There we go. Ugh. Boo boo doo 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 doo. But there's definitely gonna be a review on these new tires coming up in the future. So if that's something that you're interested in, keep watching. So appreciate that, guys. Now I'm gonna go and try to find someplace fun to go take photos of the bike. Bye.